Hey everybody, it's Miss Kabumba here and we're back with another makeup video. Today I'm Strawberry Shortcake. Off with a bare face, primer, eyebrows, foundation, and concealer.
Then you're gonna put the eyeshadow on your eyelids. Put some concealer on because we're doing a cut crease. You know you need concealer for that cut crease. We're gonna start with brown eyeshadow first. Then we're going in with the pink. The pink is fading into that brown. It's gonna look good. I promise you it's gonna look good. After fully putting the light pink in, I put the dark pink to like fade into the light pink. And that's how it kind of looks after fixing my face with the powder, the highlight, little green eyeshadow, all of that. But we got more details coming in. Green eyeliner, yes sir. And the black little cat eye thing I got going on, Egyptian eye thing, eyelashes. I cut the hair, y'all. And I got my first half wig. I love it. The look isn't complete yet without the hat. We got the hat from Amazon, ladies and gentlemen. I think I killed this look. Strawberry Shortcake. Yes. Yes! I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of my weekly uploads. We uploading Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays, and probably some other days. All right. Bye.